Hey, welcome back. Today's Swiss Army knife will be a Victorinox Farmer. Stay tuned and we'll check it out. The Victorinox Farmer is a very popular 93mm 3-layer Alox scaled knife that upgrades the classic Pioneer by adding the wood saw. Some users have commented that the extra width on the Farmer makes it more comfortable to hold than other 2-layer models. It was originally introduced in 1957 as model number 2224, and using the Alox Tang stamp, the original Farmer had red Alox scales and silver cross emblem, known today as Old Cross models. Now, the Farmer, along with the Pioneer, have been produced in many different colors and have had several special or limited edition runs, so I recommend seeing the SAKWIKI website link below for more information on those special runs. Today's model is listed as part number 0.8241.22R, that according to the SAKWIKI website is a blue 200N special model or special run with Victorinox shield. Now in 2007 they did a large run of red or blue Alox Farmers. I'm not sure if this is part of that run or not, but we'll check it out. So we get our normal care, use, and maintenance card, as we see here. And then we get our Farmer. So as previously stated, this is a 93mm knife. It does come with the key ring, and being 3 layers puts us right at 9/16 of an inch scale to scale. Now there are very few of the Alox knives that have any back layer tools, so therefore we don't see any on this model, as to be expected. I'll give you a good look at that Alox blue with the Victorinox shield. I really like it. These often come in silver scales, and the model number for the silver scale is 57664. The models with the red scale are 57965, and then for blue, like what we see here, is 57966. But again, for this knife, we have that 200N, what I'm assuming to be a limited edition run of 200 knives. So we get our standard opening layer with this knife to have the can opener and precision screwdriver. We get the cap lifter with a 90-degree stop, our standard wire bender and hollow ground screwdriver. We get the wood saw, which is what makes it the Farmer over a Pioneer. We have the standard 93mm main blade. And then for a Tang stamp, we get Victorinox Swiss made stainless with nothing on the rear. And then we get our standard 1961 model Soldier Reamer all with that sharpened edge. Now we do have several related models or similar models to this. The first one Going back into the old Cross, or maybe a limited run, but I know for sure the old Cross models, you have the Midshipman, which replaces the Reamer All with a Marlinspike. You have a First Mate, which replaces the Reamer All with the Marlinspike again, but it also replaces the can opener with a pruning blade. And I've seen both of these models on eBay. They are very expensive when you find them. You have a harvester, which is also known as a Swiss Army No. 7, and it replaces the can opener with the pruning blade. And then there was a special run of 2-layer knives that does away with the opening layer completely. It's called the Bushcrafter, and I'm not sure if it has the Reamer All, but it will for sure have the main blade and the wood saw. So again, I recommend checking out the SAKWIKI webpage link below. In addition to that, we'll be looking at a Farmer X here in the near future that will add scissors to this knife, the same as the Pioneer X adds scissors to the Pioneer. So a special shout out to my friend JB, who brought this back from vacation for me. Very much like the knife. I was looking at picking one up, but I didn't want the plain silver, and we didn't communicate or anything, but he found this blue one. So it will fit nicely in the collection. If you like these videos, give me a thumbs up, subscribe below, and as always, I appreciate your time. Stay tuned and be nice to one another.